Identifying patterns in feedback. Reflect, improve, and excel. Hello, dear learners. In our journey to master the English language, feedback is an invaluable tool. Today, we'll be discussing a critical aspect of utilizing feedback effectively: identifying patterns in feedback. By the end of this video, you'll understand the importance of recognizing recurring comments or suggestions and how you can use them to level up your language skills. When we talk about patterns in feedback, we mean recurring comments or suggestions that come up repeatedly, whether from one person over a period of time or from multiple people. For instance, if 3 of your classmates and a teacher mention that you often mix up "it's" and "it's," that's a pattern. Recognizing such patterns can pinpoint specific areas where you can focus your improvement efforts. 1. Consistency of feedback. If more than one person or even the same person multiple times points out the same mistake, it's likely not a one-time error. It indicates a gap in your understanding or a habit that needs correction. 2. Focused learning. Instead of scattering your energy on numerous pieces of feedback, identifying patterns allows you to channel your efforts on key areas. This focused approach often leads to quicker improvements. 3. Boosting confidence. Resolving consistent issues can give you a confidence boost. It's always a great feeling to overcome something that has been a consistent challenge. 1. Organize feedback. Keep a dedicated notebook or digital document where you note down all feedback you receive. This makes it easier to spot repetitions. 2. Review regularly. Periodically, maybe once a week or after every major assignment, go through this feedback. Highlight similar points or recurring issues. 3. Ask clarifying questions. If you're unsure why a particular point keeps coming up, don't hesitate to ask the person giving feedback. For instance, could you explain why this sentence structure is incorrect? I've received similar feedback before. 4. Involve peers. Sometimes, having another student or friend review your work with you can shed light on recurring issues you might have missed. Once you've identified patterns, it's time for action. 1. Practice targeted exercises. For identified weaknesses, find exercises or activities specifically targeting that area. If you often confuse tenses, for example, focus on tense exercises. 2. Seek further guidance. Approach teachers or peers with your identified patterns, asking for additional resources or methods to tackle them. 3. Regularly reassess. After a few weeks of targeted practice, seek feedback again and check if the same patterns emerge. Celebrate your progress if they don't. Identifying patterns in feedback isn't just about finding mistakes. It's about understanding your learning journey and tailoring your efforts for maximum efficiency. We hope this video has illuminated the path to making the most out of feedback. Keep learning, keep growing, and always remember, every piece of feedback is a stepping stone towards your mastery of the English language. See you in the next video.